Okra, your violet color. What's that? Talong. How about Temo? Are you okay there? You know, Tem is very... What's that? Mongo. No, kabalo man ni sa ilaha sila kay Akin from Kenya. Para to Kenya, mga gwapa sila.
Absolutely.
And also gwapo siya. Yeah. You know the tree is belong to the Filipinos.
The what?
Language.
Which language?
Yeah, you are not belong to English.
Filipino.
Filipino.
Does not
You know Filipino?
Yeah. Belongs to Spanish.
You know how to speak in Tagalog?
Kontin lang.
Konti lang daw. So, nakasabot sila pero medyo konti lang. Maliit lang daw yung ano nila.
But we speak.
Yeah, small.
Multiple.
But betterable?
Yeah? B?
Ah?
What? B?
But? Small but?
Terrible.
Oh.
Yes. We speak small but terrible.